There's a story really behind every vegetable. So many of the vegetable seeds that you can find here in the United States get here from people emigrating to the United States and bringing them with them. So once I find a unique variety that I really like, I want to find out more about that story so that I can tell other people about it. I decided to start farming out of a love of growing things and sort of understanding of the power of food and people's connection to it, and being able to communicate with them about the vegetables and where they come from, and hear about how excited they are to use them and how powerful the produce is to them is a pretty magical part of it all. Another really amazing part of that is actually being able to watch people say, oh, this is what a pepper tastes like, or like, this is what a carrot tastes like, is a pretty amazing connection. Being a small farm and running a farm business as a woman is really interesting. I think even in this day and age, there are expectations about what a farmer looks like, what a farmer sounds like, where a farmer lives, and I think the power behind being a woman-owned business, or anyone for that matter, running a farm business who doesn't look like what everyone thinks a farmer should look like, does so much to just educate people and get people inspired about growing their own food. It's such an important aspect. Our local food economy and local farming will have an impact on like our resilience as sort of a greater regional community, and that it really is possible to grow food on a small scale for a really large number of people, and do that in a way that supports the environment and supports the people in the community around you, and does so in a way that grows really nutritious and dense vegetables. That making the effort to support the people that are growing or producing in your local food economy is such an important thing to do. Our environment is changing so quickly, and we are going to need to change quickly along with it. Small farming businesses really have the power to respond quickly to changes and to the people they sell their vegetables to. There's a real direct connection there that I think is really valuable. So that's really what drives the farm.